Hey friends, who's hungry? Today we're making a hearty Southern-style Country Eggs Benedict with cream gravy, sausage, biscuits, and perfectly cooked eggs. Before you get started, you will need at least 4 warm biscuits and cooked breakfast sausage patties. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of bacon grease in a large skillet over medium heat. Once it's hot, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour until smooth. Now, slowly pour in 1½ cups of whole milk, stirring constantly until the gravy thickens to your liking. Season it with salt and pepper to taste, then remove the gravy from the heat and keep it warm. In another skillet over medium-low heat, melt 1 tablespoon of butter. Now, crack 4 large eggs into the skillet. Let them cook for 1 to 2 minutes until the whites turn solid white, then season with salt and pepper. Cook the eggs however you like them. Leave them sunny side up for a runny yolk, or flip them over for easy over medium or over hard eggs. Remove the eggs and set aside. Repeat the process with 4 more eggs. Split the biscuits in half and place 1 sausage patty on each piece. Place 1 egg on top of each sausage top biscuit half. Serve hot with a generous spoonful of warm cream gravy over the top. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.